It is Super Bowl Sunday today, and it appears that the whole world has wings on Super Bowl Sunday. So I am going to make some wings, although by the time you see this, you won't be able to use this recipe. So I hope that you will enjoy Harissa Baked Wings on other days besides Super Bowl Sunday. Today, my husband and I will enjoy them. He is smoking some wings, so we're going to do a little taste test to see Harissa baked wings versus smoked wings with nothing. Okay, so this is really easy. I'm Dorothy, by the way. This is a really easy recipe. I have 20 wings here. I put in a mix of the ones with bones and the ones without bones, because from what I understand, there's a big preference on those also. I don't really care. I've never been a wing person, but I'm learning. Now that I use this Harissa, I might just turn into one. So I'm putting 5 tablespoons of a Harissa blend on the wings. You can use 6 if you want. Harissa varies in its heat content, so then I'm just gonna cover these all with the Harissa. So these are covered with the Harissa spice, and you just spread them out on a baking sheet with parchment paper on it so they don't mess up your baking sheet. Turn the oven on to 400 and bake these for about 25 minutes. Give them plenty of room in between here. And if you've got any of that goodness left over, make sure it all gets on them. So we're going to bake these for 25 minutes, and then we're going to come back and I'm going to make a little Harissa sauce to drizzle over them to just kind of add more flavor. People use a lot of different dips with Harissa baked wings. Today I'm going to be using a store-bought dip called tzatziki. Okay, those look like they're covered. Let's put them in the oven and go take a nap. Now, the wings have cooked for 25 minutes. I'm turned them over, and this is what they look like. I'm going to put them back in the oven for 10 more minutes while I make the sauce to drizzle over them. Okay, hang on. Okay, because we're going to be drizzling this sauce over the wings, I wanted it to be fairly liquid. So I'm not using the spice blend, as that's a little more chunky. So I'm putting in 4 tablespoons of the paste, 4 tablespoons of butter, a little bit of garlic, and then if you want it hotter, you would put in some cayenne or some more spice. So we're just going to melt that all together and drizzle it over the wings as they come out in the end. So now just melt the butter and the Harissa sauce over low heat. Okay, here we go. These are the smoked wings that my husband did today. And these are the Harissa baked wings. They don't have the sauce drizzled on them yet, so we're going to do that. And then the taste test. Okay, are you ready? I am. These are the smoked wings that my husband did in the smoker with a little parmesan on the top of them. You may be a bone person. I'm going to go for the drummy part. Not bad. Now, the baked Harissa wings drizzled with Harissa sauce, it's going to be a little bit messier to eat, but I'm going to try it. I'm with the Harissa. Sorry, hon. Actually, they're both really, really good. I'm using a little tzatziki for the dipping sauce. Ooh. But I'm going to make some dipping sauces too, which you can find on farmtojar.com if you want. Now I think I'll finish up this plate of ribs. So. I keep calling them ribs. Wings!